If you're experiencing a sync error on Outreach, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync errors. Step 2. Refresh the page. Sometimes, simply refreshing the Outreach page can resolve temporary glitches. Click the refresh button on your browser or press F5 to reload the page. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the sync error. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. Step 4. Update browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not be compatible with Outreach, leading to sync issues. Check for updates and install the latest version. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Outreach support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the sync error on Outreach effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.